Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to clear host cache in Google Chrome web browser. So let's check it out. Chrome or Google might change their settings UI in the future. If the options look different when you are watching this video, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you want to do a hard reset for your Google Chrome's internal DNS, then we can try this method. This is different than clearing the browser cache. We can use this to fix connection issues and even to speed up things. To do this on our mobile, we have to take our smartphone and open the Google Chrome mobile app. Then on the address bar, we have to enter this value. I'll share it on the screen. We have to enter this, and after that we will get a page like this. I'll rotate this. So we will get like this host resolver cache, and here we will get clear host cache. So we can select this one. So that's all. There won't be any notification or anything. We just have to simply click this and it will clear that. That's all. Along with this, we can turn on the airplane mode on our smartphone. We can do this for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that we can turn it off. For Android smartphones, we can also go to the app cache. We can go there and we can clear this as well. That's all. And to do this on desktop, we have to open the Google Chrome desktop app and we have to go to this address. I'll share this in the description again. And here we have to do the same thing. We have to select this clear host cache option. That's all. These are the steps to clear host cache in Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.